Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The ones who are new, welcome, and the ones who are already following me and viewing all the content that I put up here, thanks a lot for all your support. Thanks for your continuous support that I have received over this year. Okay, I really appreciate that. Now, this is a quick reading for my Libran friends, Libra. This is August 2021 prediction. Again, let me just tell you, it's a general reading. Okay, if it resonates, great. If it does not resonate, do not force it and make it yours. Just leave it be. We are not gender biased or gender specific on this reading, so take how you feel like. If you have Libra anywhere in your chart, that's your reading. Okay, now I'm working with 3 different tarot cards. We are also going to do your angel message for you and then your spirit guidance as well towards the end. All right, thanks for your continued support. I really appreciate. I already got a card flipped here. Your angel says a year from now. So if there is something specific, my Libran friend, that you're waiting for, possibly a project, a marriage, a venture, anything that you're manifesting, okay, anything that you've kept as a goal, a year from now is a possibility of it materializing, of it coming to a fruition or it completing. Okay, so that's your angel saying that it's exactly a year from now. Again, let me tell you, time is fluid and hence there are dates, seconds and years and numbers that we put. Whatever is going to happen in life is already happened. So this is an intuitive tarot reading. It just picks up your energy. So whatever you're manifesting right now, whatever you have focused on your goal, is talking about a year from now. All right, now in terms of health, for health, yeah, for health we have Knight of Pentacles. So Knight of Pentacles is an earth energy. It's talking about an earth element, okay, where you see it's a very slow moving energy. So let me break it up for you. It's a possibility that some of you may be thinking of a significant change in lifestyle and you are just there. You're watching yourself in future being at a particular size or a desired weight, or maybe if there is a disease, curing, but you're not taking any action. That's for some of you. And some of you, you are taking significant action towards your health improvement. However, it's not going to happen overnight. It's a very slow transformative change. Okay, so for example, if you need to lose 5 kilos, you're not going to lose overnight. It is going to happen slowly, but not radically and drastically. So it's a very slow moving pace right now in your life. If at all there is an ailment that you are getting cure for, it's not going to just change over time. I'm sorry, it's going to change over time. It's not going to happen instantly. Okay, so if there is pressure issue or diabetes or health issue, anything that's happening, good that you have started visualizing yourself being in a healthier direction, but you're not making a strong move, or things are not changing extremely fast. It's being slow. Okay, that doesn't mean there's anything bad. It's just a suggestion that yes, take your time but get healthy, if I would like to put it across that way. All right, now in terms of career and finances, oh my god, this is beautiful energy. It's 9 of Cups. Amazing. It's like a wish fulfillment. Okay, extremely emotionally balanced career and finances, what is in your charts in the month of August 2021. Congratulations for that. So any project, anything that you've been working on, it's coming to a full fruition and completion in this month. And you will also be emotionally fulfilled with the job and the amount of money that you're receiving for this month. So it sounds good. Okay, so overall, my Libran friends, everything looks good for you for this month of August. Maybe you have taken a great road, you've taken a journey where you have set your vision and your goal and you're working towards it. That's great. Okay, let's check what's happening in terms of relationship. In terms of relationship is 7 of Springs, okay, which is also 7 of Wands in the traditional tarot deck. It's a possibility you're dealing with a fiery energy at this point in time. It's a possibility. It's not necessary that you're dealing, but it's a possibility that you could be dealing with a significant Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius. So, this is a very strong message, my Libran friends, is that be assertive, do not back down, maintain your self-respect, maintain your standard, courageously stand up for yourself. Okay, so anybody who is already in a relationship right now and feel the pain or struggle, stand up for yourself, speak, work on your throat chakra. Or if you're looking for a new relationship, you're Googling, I mean, not Googling per se, that's the wrong term to use. But if you're on the look, you're on all these dating applications and, put your word across very assertively. Do not just compromise because you think maybe, out of those 10 attributes or the 10 checklists that you have, 1 or 2 matches. Do not do that. This is not a time for you to compromise. August is not a month for you to compromise on your relationship, okay? Or on your self-worth or your value. So you have to keep that in perspective. That's really imperative for you. And let's see which guide is here to help you and wish you well in the month of August. Okay, we have Lord Krishna here. You maybe see work on your throat chakra. You see a lot of blue happening here. Devotion, trust your spiritual guidance. Your commitment has been recognized. You are loved unconditionally. So you may be seeing a lot of peacock feathers, or you believe in this deity. If you do, keep your faith and he is here to help you and guide you. Okay, until I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you did, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification icon so somebody else can reach to this reading, and do comment. And I wish you all the best until we meet again. Goodbye.